Okay, stacks all on me, big drip on me, hey, faucet up.
Bluetooth pairing mode is off.
Been fucking me fast. Like Steve Nash with a milk mustache. Damn, I'm MVP, yeah. Baby, why you taking 2 seats, yeah. Nobody hands, baby, clap them cheeks, yeah. Gon' break me on my fucking yeah.
Bye. It was great spending time with you in August.
All right, sis.
Bye.
Yo, what we got going on today, Big Ron?
Little photo shoot magic.
Yeah.
Your man trying to catch us in a natural element. Sweaty. I'm rocking it all white because I'm godly.
Lynx is having a photo shoot right now with the trainers, and I got here early, as usual, right? Oh, look at this one.
Hey.
Hi. Another box extraordinaire right there. Oh, and they got Biggie playing? Like, that's your playlist, right? That gotta be your playlist. Ah. Ooh. Kill him, don't hurt him, don't hurt him, don't hurt him. Yeah, how's the photo shoot so far?
So far, so good. A little sweaty right now after boxing with Ron.
Yo, is it exhausting doing like a fitness shoot? Like you gotta lift
Oh,
heavy
nobody was
shit?
taking pictures. We were just having fun.
Oh, just having fun.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's going on over there?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Doing the photo shoot, doing the damn thing, looking good,
Yep.
feeling good.
Yo, Lynx profile is going to be looking legit in the next few weeks with those pretty faces. Look, number models over here.
I'll tell you what the premise of it is.
Wait. We gotta, like,
This is a whole documentary. I'm saying documentary. There's a whole document. So, my man, the creative director, you've seen him before, need no introduction. He wants to put together, like, he just challenged me and him. It's like a challenge to us to like create some sort of a content piece, film, get all the pieces that we need, and edit it within the hour. I don't think about the editing process because I don't have my computer with me.
We don't have the editing right now. We just gotta capture the moments, right?
All right, we gotta capture the
We're gonna
moment.
capture the moments within the hour.
Now, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to do this on a daily basis, or?
No, I mean, I woke up.
Or you just got inspiration?
I just got inspiration this morning. Sometimes when you have an idea, you just gotta pull the trigger and make it happen. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So where I'm at right now is, can we start something and can we finish?
all right. So what you got for us?
So here's what I'm thinking, right? Sometimes what you're looking for is the obvious. You know, I said you gotta start something and finish it. That's the premise of the video. You must start something to finish. Think about that.
Yeah.
You gotta start to finish. You can't finish something you haven't started. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta start.
Yo, you gotta start. So.
All right. So what we started? Wait, we
the
need some light, cause
premise.
it's kind of
like having a high noon, the lighting effect.
yeah, the lighting in Lynx is a little.
Can't see my face.
Yeah, there we go.
But that's what I think. I think the premise would be: can we create something and generate content around the premise of start to finish? Can we communicate that message to the people so we can inspire them and make them feel motivated to start and
All right,
finish in
yo,
an hour?
so we are already cutting into the hour, so
right, cool.
let's get it. Let's do it.
Right.
So Chris and I just finished putting together some pieces, and whole concept is you don't finish what you don't start, right? So we're gonna try and put something together. Well, not try. We are gonna do it. All right. So look out for that on his social networks. We're gonna like make some little magic, and yo, we're undefeated at this point, man.
Yo, we be undefeated.
Undefeated. We just
shoot your shot. You shoot
damn.
your shot.
I'm not even a lefty though, and it's still going in. All right.
Yo, but look, I gotta let them know something.
What you letting them know?
Look, I just want to say congratulations because you've reached greatness, baby. Let's go. We out.
All right, we out. I got to get to work. He got to get to work and get this money. Let's make it happen. Introduce you to the vlog. Yo, what up, what up?
Hi.
Let's introduce Christie to the vlog, another fellow creator over here. And she also lives in JP.
Yeah, pretty
All
close.
right? Yeah, so where can they find you, Christie?
They can find me on Instagram at Christie Ashley.
Christie Ashley. I'll link that down below so you guys can show her some love. And yeah, she's about to take my boxing class and report back, right?
Just started probably 3 or 4 classes ago.
And is already a pro. All right, so let's get after it. What we about to do, Patrick?
About to fucking light it up with some fucking legs and plyos and get explosive as all hell.
Oh.
Put on a fucking show for you, Caesar Gene.
Oh.
Put on a show for you like Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper last night.
Oh, you watched the Oscars?
Yeah, we about to get real intimate.
Real intimate. Down and dirty and gritty.
Down and dirty, right in my glutes.
Ooh. Oh, we got that activation happening?
Just trying to fucking get things pumping, you know?
Yeah, get some blood into
Am I on camera right now?
Little posterior chain. Little push pull action. Nothing too crazy. My fucking foot is killing me today, so I'm still gonna get it in.
Yo, Pat want me to play football, right? But I'm telling him I can only do one league in one season. And he's actually telling me I gotta play basketball. I'm in the basketball league too.
That's
and then
wrap up.
I know, and I'm like, yo, the reason why is because I got a son.
Can you
right?
catch?
Don't use your son as
Of
an
course,
excuse.
I can
Sure?
catch.
When he sees
And
this
I
video,
could
he's gonna be
sprint.
like, my dad used me as
Look,
an
look at that
excuse.
wingspan
When he's
though.
old, he's gonna make my
Hold
dad
on, look at my face. Can you catch?
I can catch.
You sure?
One-handed.
Looks like Randy. He's got the hair.
That's like that kid who wear all it's like the kid who wears all of the gear and is trash and ball, like he has the Iverson.
You got the neons on.
Yeah, the Iverson sleeves and shit.
Usually the white kids that are good though.
That don't matter. Where's the plate?
Right here.
Those are pretty nice.
These are 120 bucks.
What size?
It's 120.
Oh, they ain't gonna fit me.
I want them tight. I want these tight though. Like I want them to yeah.
For the present, that was really happy.
Got it. Easy. Joke. 3. Let's go. There we go. That high. Show us that leaping ability. Think of these as like quarter squats though. Don't go too deep on these. Boom. 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 Hey Jess, how are you? It's been a while. Pretty good. Where have you been? Easy, Frank. What's easy, dude? What's easy? It's great form, dude. Rack it. I'll play a fucking joke. Let me show you. Make sure the lighting's good, dude.
Anyways, out.
See, it's always a pleasure.
Yep.
And real seat.
Yo, yeah. Oh, baby. I gotta get some work done. All right, man. I'll see you guys mañana. So I'm having difficulties getting 4 gigs worth of content to a client, and it's really blowing minds right now. I'm hungry and frustrated, so I'm having me that beefaroni that I made the other day, that baked beefaroni. There we go. And try to figure this thing out, because this was supposed to be done last week and it's still frustrating me, man. I haven't gotten it done yet, so let's see if it's ready. Yup. That's it, Chief. That's it. All right, so wifey just texted me and her flight is delayed. And she lost her AirPods. Damn, that sucks. Anyway, that sucks for me too. But I gotta go do some laundry and go pick August up from daycare. Man, this blows. Wow. Anyway, let's go. All right, so we picked him up from daycare, put him down for a late afternoon nap. Usually, you know, this is best so that he is on his sleeping schedule, because there's so much stimulation with all the other kids at daycare that he comes home super exhausted. So I put him down for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then 30, 45 minutes, and then wake him up, play a little bit, then dinner, then bedtime, and daddy gets to unwind himself. All right, so easy peasy. Just got updated by wifey. Her flight is delayed yet again, so she might not be making it till like 2 a.m. Tonight. So it's gonna be me and Gus again, part 5, I believe. Let's see how it all pans out. No! Where you going, Papa? That's my phone. You can't have that. Can I have it? Thank you. All right, this round goes to your boy, Big C's. Lil C's is down for the count. Had his dinner, bath, bottle, bed. Easy. Now my dinner's warming up. I'm gonna end this video here. Going to just eat, unwind for a couple of hours, then pass the book out. because your boy have to be up and out the crib dumb early, because that's how I get down. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala. Peace.